If you want a redeem code for Xbox Game Pass, here are the legit ways to get one without getting scammed. First, the most reliable method is the official Microsoft Store. Microsoft often runs promotions where you get 1 month of Game Pass for a discounted price, and they send you an instant redeem code to your email. Just go to the official Microsoft Store website, search Game Pass, choose the plan you want, and complete the purchase. Another way is buying digital codes from trusted sellers. For example, sites like G2A, CD Keys, Iniba, Best Buy, Walmart. These sites allow you to buy codes that work globally or region-based. Just make sure the region of the code matches your Xbox region before buying. After purchase, you'll receive a redeem code immediately on your account or email. You can also get free codes through Xbox Rewards. On your Xbox or Microsoft account, open Microsoft Rewards and start earning points by completing quizzes, searching on Bing, or completing daily tasks. Once you collect enough points, you can redeem them for 1 month Game Pass codes at no cost. And finally, avoid free generator websites. They're fake and can steal your account. Stick with official sellers, Microsoft Rewards, or reputable marketplaces only. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.